present video we will discuss the significance of game theory in managerial applications. We know that game theory is a powerful decision making tool that helps a manager analyze the solutions where outcomes depend not only on their own actions but also depends on the actions of competitors, customers, suppliers or other stakeholders. So first one is the strategic decision making. Managers face situations where the competitors react to their decisions. So in these conditions, game theory helps in predicting the competitor behavior, choosing the optimal strategies and the minimizing the risk under uncertainty. So let's take the example. When Reliance Jio enters the telecom market with the free data, then competitors like Airtel and the Vodafone responded by reducing the prices. Let's see the next significance is the competitive pricing strategies. In highly competitive markets, pricing decisions are the interdependent. So firms decided the prices based on the competitor pricing. So in this condition, game theory helps to determine the optimal pricing considering revolves and avoid the destructive price wars. So let's take the example. So airlines adjust the ticket prices dynamically. If one airline reduces the fares, others follow to remain competitive. So next one is the business negotiations. Game theory improves the negotiation outcomes by the identifying the win-win strategies, understanding the opponent incentives and the improving bargaining power. So in general applications are the supplier contracts, mergers and the labor negotiations. For example, a company is negotiating with the supplier. If the supplier knows the company has the alternative, then supplier they reduce the prices. If not, then supplier charges the more. So this strategy is depend on the bargaining power. Next one is the market entry decisions. Before entering a new market, firms must anticipate the competitor reactions. So in this condition, game theory helps to decide whether to enter a market or stay out and helps understand the if competitors will react or fight back. So for example, a new company wants to enter the electric vehicle market. If Tata Motors lowers the prices aggressively, then new entrant may avoid the entry. Next one is the advertising and marketing strategies. Companies compete by how much they advertise and how they present their products to the customers. In this scenario, game theory helps allocate the advertising budget efficiently and predict the competitor campaigns and optimize the product's differentiation strategies. So let's consider an example is the Coca-Cola versus the Pepsi. If both advertise heavily, then high cost and moderate the gain. If one advertises the more, obviously one company will get the gains higher market share. So managers have to decide optimal advertising levels. Next one is the resource application. So resources mean in the budget or maybe the manpower point of view. So manager must allocate the limited resources. So in these conditions, game theory helps in choosing optimal allocation strategies and the ensures maximum returns under the competitive conditions. So for example, a company deciding budget allocations between the R&D and the marketing, then game theory helps to maximize returns considering the competitor moves. Next one is the supply chain and procurement. Game theory is used in the vendor selection, contract design, and the action-based procurement. For example, government tenders. So in the government tenders, multiple companies bid for a project. So each company has to decide a bid price based on the competitors. So this is a classic game theory application. Next one is the risk management. So in the risk management, game theory helps to the managers deal with uncertain and competitive environments by the evaluating different possible scenarios and choosing the strategies that minimize the losses. So for example, a company is launching a new product. If the competitors also launch, then obviously company has to reduce the profits, and if not, obviously companies will get the high profits. So in this scenario, managers have to evaluate the possible scenarios before the investing. Next one is the conflict resolution. So game theory also used to resolve the internal or external conflicts by identifying the stable solutions and encouraging the cooperative outcomes. For example, labor union versus the management. So strike versus the negotiation decisions. So in this condition, game theory helps reach mutually beneficial solutions. And the last one is the understanding Nash equilibrium. So it is the one of the key concepts where the no player get the benefits by changing the strategy unilaterally, and also helps the managers find stable and realistic decisions. So this is the importance of the game theory in the managerial applications, and thank you.